Alright, here we are. We're going to talk about surface area and lateral areas of cylinders. Start out with lateral area. And lateral area is just basically going to be the side of the cylinder. I mean, it's just the side of the can, whatever the cylinder is going to be. But its lateral area is just going to be the side. So if we have this cylinder, alright, you have the top, bottom, and then this right here on the side. And that's just going to be the lateral area of the cylinder. It's just going to be the area of the side. And so then the formula for that is just going to be the height times circumference. Circumference is going to be all the way around. So like if we made a net for this can, all right, you would have this top portion. All right, this would be the side if we were to unwrap all of this. And then right here's the bottom. So you got the top, the bottom, and the side. And notice the side is just going to be the shape of a rectangle. All right. And to find the area of the rectangle is basically base times height. And you will see this, that the base is actually just the circumference of this cylinder, and then the height, of course, is just going to stay the same. The height is going to be the same on those. So to get the area of this side, or this lateral area, we'll write our formula. Lateral area is equal to circumference So circumference times height. So you may need to calculate the circumference of this can to get your lateral area, unless that's given to you, but we'll have to use either radius or diameter to calculate the circumference, and then we'll multiply that by the height, and that'll give us our lateral area. So let's suppose that this can that we made, all right, let's suppose that the radius on this can is, we'll call it 7 inches, and the height of this is 12 inches. So to calculate our lateral area, I will start with circumference. So circumference is equal to pi times diameter, or 2 times pi times radius. Either one of those formulas you want to use, it doesn't make any difference, because 2 times the radius equals your diameter. So the diameter on this is going to be 14. So pi will use 3.14 times 14. And when you work that out, use my calculator. .14 times 14. All right. 43.96. Circumference equals 43.96. That's not the area, that's circumference. Circumference is 43.96. So that's basically going to be the distance from this point to this point, 43.96. The height we already know is 12 inches. And so then lateral area, I'll abbreviate LA, equals 43.96 times 12. Very simple. 527.52. And that would be inches squared. So anyway, that's getting your lateral area. Lateral area of this can, we've got that figured out. It's going to be circumference times the height. That's the formula you need for lateral area. So then basically, if we need to get the surface area is going to be, well, this area of the side of this can, and also with the area for the top and bottom. All right, so surface area then will equal your lateral area plus the top and bottom. So we're going to need to know the area of the top, area of the bottom, add that to the lateral area. Lateral area we already know is 527.52. Plus the area of the top. Well, the top has got a radius of 7 inches, same as the bottom, and that would be pi times the radius squared. So 3.14 times your radius squared, plus that again, because I need the area for the bottom, 3.14 times radius squared. All right. Do your calculations, and that is going to be the total surface area. So 527.52 plus 7 squared is 49, so 49 times 3.14, which is pi. $153.86. Add that again for the bottom. And that'll be your total surface area. 527.52 plus 153.86 $835. So 835 and 2400ths. And those are inches squared. All right, so again, just a recap of what we've done. Surface area and lateral area of a cylinder. Surface area, remember, it's just going to be the side of that cylinder. And I think I said surface area. Lateral area is just going to be the side of that cylinder. Lateral area, to calculate that, you need to use circumference times the height, because circumference will equal out to the base if we were to unwrap that can. And then multiply that to the height. That gives you lateral area. Surface area, of course, includes the area of the whole can, the lateral area plus the top and the bottom, and area for a circle, it's just pi times radius squared. All right, that takes care of our lesson on this. You have a worksheet to do. If you need help, you know my phone number. Call, text, email, any of those to get questions answered. Thank you.